Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our blue 2013 Ford Focus ST-2. I'm just going to take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside and I'll point anything out along the way. So starting with the front left. You've got the big ST grille with the ST logo. Right. Across the windscreen. Front right wheel, front right tyre. Down the side. There's a couple of watermarks there, but they'll come off. Just where it's quite sunny. Don't get the car clean, it's dry quickly. Right, get another big ST logo there. A big exhaust. We're heading inside the car now. Got your blue half leather, half fabric Recaro sport seats with the ST logo. That's throughout the entire car. In the back also you don't have the sports bucket seat style. You've still got the blue trim and the blue stitching throughout. On the clock we've got 24,160 miles. Over to your entertainment system. You've got your radio, FM radio, and then you've got your 2 DAB radio stations as well. Bluetooth audio, aux input as well, CD, USB. You've also got your telephone. It's all been tested and all works perfectly. Various different settings there. Dual zone climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox, got 12-volt power port there and some cup holders come out as well. Nice and easy to clean. Back here you've got a little cubby hole, centre section comes out and you've got your lining and your USB. Over here you've got the driver computer. So all fairly standard stuff there. All systems are normal. Up here we've got your, I always forget what it's called, but it's like a turbo kit. You can see it all works well. And that pretty much sums it up. Automatic lights, front and rear fog lights. And down here on the seals we've got the ST logos again, and the ST on the steering wheel as well. Car also has full service history, 2 keys, comes with 1 year's MOT, 1 year's warranty, 1 year's AA breakdown cover. If you are interested in reviewing the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781 and one of us will happily book you an appointment and answer any questions you may have. If you'd like to find more information about the company and the vehicle, please go and have a look at our website, payments.recaro.com. Hope to speak to you soon, hope you're well, take care, goodbye.